Okay, so what is the app bundle in Android? Let's explain that. So you probably might have heard this term, and what exactly it means? Well, the app bundle is a way for Android apps to be packaged so your phone only downloads the parts it actually needs, which will make the app smaller and faster, right? So technically, it is a publishing format used by Android developers, right? So it just includes the compiled code, like the coding and programming is finished, and it contains all of the resources for the app. The Google Play uses it to generate the optimized APK file for each device, right? That is going to be the app which you actually install on your phone. The app bundle has a different format. It's not the APK, but it's the AAB file. This is the extension which it has. And it's a different from the traditional APK, which contains everything in one package. But this one is like used to simplify managing different versions, and it's like reduced by size, and only the necessary code and assets are part of it for that particular phone, right? So it's not like optimized for the Google Play Store, so everyone can get it, but it's like specifically for only certain devices, and it's like reduced and only within or dedicated for one phone. So hope that makes sense. Like, yeah, this is a different packaging and a different file type for an Android app. It's not going to be optimized for, the Play Store or anything. And there are like different ways how you can even install those if you wanted to. I talked about it in one of my other videos, and there are some like app manager apps which you can get on the Play Store, which lets you install these like AAB files. So that's basically it. I just quickly wanted to explain what that is. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that you found this explanation useful. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.